Exceptional craftsman style custom home with no HOA fees. Situated on a quiet paved street and nicely wooded lot, this ideal location is just minutes from downtown Jasper. Attention to detail throughout this well-designed floor plan, including the impressive crown molding and fireplaces on each level. A stylishly updated spacious kitchen is open to an inviting, well-lit main-level family room and breakfast area with plenty of floor-to-ceiling windows. Enjoy the warmth of the rocked double-side fireplace from the keeping room. The addt'l separate dining room is perfect for overflow family or entertaining and beautifully accented with custom board and batten woodwork. An expansive upstairs primary suite with its own sitting area and fireplace features a luxurious updated bath complete with his and her vanities, huge walk-in closet, and convenient full upper-level laundry room. The terrace level fits most any need west/possibilities as in-law or teen suite with kitchenette, entertainment, media room, a fourth bedroom and bath, plus an office. A welcoming front porch.